Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to explore a very interesting and heart-touching short story titled, The Romance of a Busy Broker, written by O. Henry. This story beautifully combines love, humor, irony, and the harsh reality of a busy modern life. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand the story, its deeper meaning, and all the important points for exams. So, let's begin. About the author. Short or important. O. Henry, whose real name was William Sidney Porter, was a famous American short story writer. He is best known for his witty writing style, unexpected twist endings, stories based on ordinary people and everyday life. Some of his famous works include The Gift of the Maggie, The Last Leaf, The Ransom of Red Chief. His stories often carry a moral message with humor and irony, which we will also see in this story. Introduction of characters. 1. Harvey Maxwell, a hard-working and ambitious stockbroker, extremely busy and work-focused, becomes mechanical and emotionless, forgetful due to overwork, represents modern professionals who ignore personal life. Though Miss Leslie, simple, modest, and elegant, calm, understanding, and loving, emotionally balanced, represents love, patience, and emotional stability. Teen, Pitcher, clerk in Maxwell's office, observant and practical, notices unusual situations, represents common sense and normal human awareness. Full detailed summary, complete story. The story is set in a busy stockbroker office in New York. The main character, Harvey Maxwell, is a highly dedicated and extremely busy broker. His office is full of chaos, with constant phone calls, telegrams, and financial transactions. He is so absorbed in his work that he behaves like a machine and has no time for emotions or personal life. One morning, Maxwell arrives at his office with his stenographer, Miss Leslie. She has been working with him for a year. Unlike other women, she is simple, modest, and not showy, yet she looks unusually happy and radiant that day. Meanwhile, the office clerk, Pitcher, becomes confused when Maxwell asks him to hire another stenographer, even though Miss Leslie is already working there. This shows how Maxwell is so busy that he cannot even remember his own staff. As the day continues, Maxwell gets completely involved in his work. He handles calls, gives orders, and deals with clients rapidly without any emotional awareness. However, suddenly, the soft fragrance of lilac flowers enters the office. This moment slows him down and awakens his emotions. In a sudden emotional impulse, Maxwell rushes to Miss Leslie and proposes marriage to her. He admits that he has no time for traditional romance but expresses his love sincerely. Miss Leslie is surprised and emotional. Then she reveals the shocking truth: they are already married. They got married the previous evening in a small church, but Maxwell had completely forgotten this important event due to his busy schedule. This unexpected twist forms the climax of the story, showing both humor and sadness. It reveals how excessive work pressure can disconnect a person from the most important moments of life. Message: moral: life is not only about work and success. Relationships and emotions are equally important. Excessive busyness can make us lose the most valuable moments. Balance between personal and professional life is necessary. Conclusion: the story highlights how excessive work can make a person forget important moments of life. Through irony, O. Henry shows the need to balance work with personal relationships and emotions.